Good students, today I will teach you about division, okay, in which we learn that how do we solve of the division, by which method, okay. Look here, divisions is depend on these rules as its formula is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder okay then. Dividend, on this basis I give you an example as 7 divided by 2. In this case, here write 2 divide of 7. Here 2 divisor and 7 is a dividend. Here 7 is dividend and 2 is a divisor. Okay. Divide by 2 of 7, 2 3 are 6. How many tables? Read of 2, which result is not more than 7, or 7 or less than 7, not more than 7. Okay. 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. If read the table of 2 4 times, which is greater than 7, then 4 times not suitable for 7 solution. Okay. In this case, we read table of 2 3 times. Look here, 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. In this case, 3 is quotient. 3 is quotient. 7 is remainder and 2 is divisor. 2 is a divisor and 7 is dividend. Okay. And 6. What is the name of 6? 6 is a multiple of 2. Here 2 is multiple. Okay. These are the parts of the division. Okay. On this basis, we check this division is correct or not. On this basis, dividend is equal to multiply quotient into divisor plus remainder. We get 7, then this division will be correct. If not find dividend, then the division is not correct. Okay? On this basis, I give you another example. Look here. Divide 296 divide 13. Okay, here 13 divide of 296. 13 divisor 296 है dividend. Okay, student, look here. How many here? 13 ones tens digits. 296 in this case 3 digits. Okay, 13 divided of 29. How many time read the table of 13 which is not more than 229, not more than 29. If 29 or less than 29 but not more than 29. 13 threes 39 which is not suitable because more than 29. Then 13 threes are not suitable for the solution of 29. Then 13 twos are 2 times read of table 13 which is suitable for 29 solution. Look here, 13 twos are 26. 9 minus 6 is equal to, we get 3, and here 2 minus 2 cancel, and write here 36. After this, how many times read of table 13? 13 threes are 39, more than 36, therefore we read the table of 13 only 2 times. 13 twos are 26. 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, here less than 13, then it is remainder. This is quotient and this is a remainder and this is divisor. We check कर सकते हैं. हम इसको चेक करके ये पता करेंगे कि रिजल्ट 296 जो डिवाइडेंड है इसके इक्वल आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, यदि डिवाइडेंड आ गया तो हमारी जो रिजल्ट होगा डिवीजन जो हो वो सही है. हियर चेक डिवाइडेंड इक्वल टू, इन दिस केस quotient multiply in divisor. Quotient is 22 and divisor is 13 and its remainder is 10. Okay, 13 to the 26, 13 to the 26, 2, 17, 18, 286 plus 10. Okay, here add this, we get 296. Dividend is this. Thus division is correct. Thus division is correct. Is correct. Division is correct. Okay, then these types of questions are given, then you can divide and also check that result is correct or not. After this, here (41 divide 2). Okay, in this case here 2 divide of 41, then 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 cancel. Here write 1. Here 1 is not remainder. Okay, this write only a number from take here. 1 is less than 2, then how many rights of tables of 2 read which is not more than 1? 2 1 ja, we read 2 1 ja, which is also more than 2. 2 is less or more than 1. Then how many times read table of 2 which is equal to 1 or less than 1, not more than 1. Then if 1 time read table of 2, then 2 is more than 1. Okay, then we write table of 0 time. 2 0 ja 0. Okay, 1 minus 0 is 1. Here 1 is remainder. Here 1 is remainder and 20 is the quotient. Okay, then we can check its dividend. Dividend is equal to multiply 2 into 26 and 20 into 2 plus a remainder 1. Okay, then here 22 ja 40 plus 1, we get 41. Then we find the result 41, which is a dividend, equal to dividend. Then our division is correct. Then division is correct. Division is correct. Okay? These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, then, and next. If, next example, if 12,012 divided by 4, we get here, make a form of division. Here write divisor and here write dividend. Read the table of 3 times. 4 3 ja 12, cancel. Okay, and write here 1, which is less than 4. Then here right side 1 digit is present. Then take write it and double number here write, then we make a 0 before we make 0. Write 0 and write here 2. Okay, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, then if you multiply in this, you get a dividend. Here check it. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus a remainder. Here 303 into 4 plus 0. Okay, we get the dividend 12,212. is this, then division is correct. Okay then, next, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, here जब हम यहाँ 4 से इसको डिवाइड करते हैं 4 से, 4 3 जा 12, इसके बाद हम 1 को यहाँ पर उतारते हैं, इसके बाद 1 जो है 4 से लेस है। इस स्थिति में जब हम 2 को उतारेंगे तो यहाँ 0 को बढ़ा करके तब इसके बाद 2 को उतारेंगे यहाँ पर, तब यह 12 हो जाता है, तो यह 4 टाइम में यह डिवाइड कर देता है। ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन you can solve on this basis. Okay then, after this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay then, thank all of you.